Hello everyone, my name is Tanmoyee Bora from MBA department NIT Rourkela. So I'm going to talk about human machine interface. So what is human machine interface? So human machine interface, also known by the acronym HMI, refers to an interface or dashboard that connects a person to a machine, a system, or a device. So it basically connects an operator to the controller for an industrial system. The information in the HMI displayed in the graphical form. It uses icons, sounds, and pictures, colors to illustrate machine's current status and operating conditions. While the term can technically be applied to any screen that allows a user to interact with a device, HMI is most commonly used in the context of an industrial process. Some of the industries implementing HMI systems are manufacturing, energy, power, food and beverages, pharmaceutical, oil and gas, recycling, water and wastewater, transportation, and biotech sector. So the most common roles that interact with HMIs are operators, system integrators, and engineers, particularly control system engineers. So HMIs are essential resources for those professionals who use them to review and monitor processes, diagnose problems, and visualize data. Also, the implementation of HMI software provides a wide range of benefits for organizations, including higher worker satisfaction. So, how it improves worker satisfaction? There is a research that found that online consumers are more satisfied when browsing on touchscreen than when using traditional monitors. So this is because touch sensitive screens offers them a direct link to the website of their interest. So HMI have the same impact of allowing the employees to interact with the machine from an interface. The next one is flexibility. The HMI systems are useful in tracking, monitoring, and supporting different systems. The technology works efficiently for both simple and complex systems, but it requires a few steps to run either of the system. So the next one is user friendliness. This is because they are integrated with simple graphical interfaces to help in identifying and troubleshooting through instant recognition and automatic color coding. Next one is enhanced data savings and recording. And HMI runs without data loss even with poor internet connectivity. Some advanced HMIs can store raw data for as many as 10 years and the data is easily accessible. So the next one is higher productivity. HMI improve efficiency in various production processes and hence a higher output. Okay, so some of the HMI design tips are awareness of your user. So think about the people that are going to use it. So the next one is visibility. So it is important to make the important things easy to find. So the next one is simplicity. As the more uncluttered the interface is, the higher user adoption rate it will have. So next one is consistency. Use consistent design elements. Let's talk about the difference between SCADA and HMI. So SCADA stands for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition. SCADA and HMIs are closely related and often referred to in the same context since they are both part of a larger industrial control system. So SCADA is a complex control system for supervising equipment and production processes. SCADA consists of many components and subsystems such as supervisory computers, PLC, remote terminal units, communication infrastructure, servers, sensors, and others. The data from all of this system is then sent to the central SCADA unit. While HMI is a subset or component of the SCADA system responsible for the interaction between human and machines. HMI is essentially a user control station, usually in the form of touch screen or a screen with some buttons attached. So now let's talk about some promising trends in HMI development. So the first one is voice recognition that provides operators the ability to use voice commands. Speech recognition has Speech recognition has gone great lengths in recent years, and natural language can be used to control many aspects of a vehicle through automotive HMI. So the next one is remote monitoring. It allows operators to control the equipment and monitor the status of processes without the need to be in the workplace. So the next one is cloud-based HMI software. The data sync between the local HMI and the cloud will allow remote access to information about the equipment status. The next one is touchscreen and mobile devices. Multi-touch technologies allow controlling the machine by touching the physical screen. And last but not the least, wearable devices that may be used to communicate with human-machine interfaces and display alerts about potential issues. So these are the references I have taken from the internet. So thank you very much.